The question is Shally is 54 years old and her mother is 80. How many years ago was Shally's mother 3 times her age? कितने साल पहले शैली की माँ अपनी एज का शैली की एज का 3 times होगी. Okay. Now the let x years ago Shally's mother 3 times Shally's age. Okay. Now she is now 80. Mother is 80 and Shally is 54. It means 80, according to the question, 80 minus x, the age of the mother, 3 times age of Shally. Shally's age is 54. It means 54 minus x. Okay. Now solve. 80 minus x equal to 3 into 54 minus 3 into x. Take the variable in left hand side. Minus x minus 3x is plus 3x. And the multiply by 3, 162 minus 80. 3x minus x equal to 2x. 2x equal to 82. X equal to 82 by 2. It means 41. The answer is 41 years. Answer is 41 years. You can check. The mother before 41 year, 80 minus 41 is 39 years. The Shally is 54 minus 41. She is 13 years. Okay. The Shally's mother is 3 times Shally's age. 41 years ago, Shally's mother is 3 times Shally's age. Okay. The right answer is 41 years.